There's a little monkey who wants to focus. He wakes up early, feeling inspired. He sits down with his notebook, ready to learn, ready to grow. He takes a deep breath, opens a page, and before he even writes the first word, ding! His phone lights up. One small notification, one tiny distraction. He thinks, just one quick check. But then 5 minutes disappear, then 10, then 30. He scrolls, he laughs, he swipes, and when he finally looks up, he's forgotten why he even started. Sound familiar? That's not just the monkey. That's me. That's you. That's almost everyone today. We've trained our brains to crave stimulation, not focus. Every scroll, every like, every ping gives our mind a little spark of dopamine. And the more we chase that spark, the harder it becomes to focus on anything that doesn't give us instant pleasure. So the monkey tries again. He opens his notebook. He tells himself, this time, I'll focus for real. But within minutes, his brain whispers, hey, maybe check your phone just one last time? And again, ding, he's gone. He feels frustrated. He used to be able to focus for hours. Now even 10 minutes feels impossible. He thinks something's wrong with him, but nothing's wrong. Focus isn't broken, it's stolen. Stolen by endless notifications, by quick entertainment, by tiny hits of dopamine that train the mind to run from silence. So one day, the monkey does something different. He turns off his phone. Completely. No music, no scrolling, no background noise. At first, it feels strange. The silence is loud. His brain screams for stimulation, like an itch he can't scratch. But he sits there, breathing deeply, waiting. And slowly, something changes. The noise inside his mind begins to fade. The thoughts that used to rush start to slow down. He notices the sound of his breath, the way the air moves. He feels stillness, maybe for the first time in a long while. That's what people call a dopamine detox. It's not about quitting everything fun. It's about taking back control, choosing what truly deserves your attention. When you stop feeding your distractions, your brain starts healing. And when it heals, focus comes back. The monkey starts small. He writes for 10 minutes, then 15. He feels the urge to stop, but he keeps going. The same notebook that once felt impossible now feels peaceful. He's not chasing motivation anymore. He's building discipline. And every day he grows a little stronger. He walks outside, feeling the air, hearing the birds, noticing the world around him. The small things he never saw before now feel alive. His mind feels light. No buzzing, no stress, no guilt. Just calm focus. You see, focus isn't about trying harder. It's about removing what breaks it. When you remove distractions, your brain remembers how to enjoy calm. When you protect your attention, you protect your power. The monkey starts working again. This time, he's not rushing. He's not checking. He's just doing. And in that silence, he finds something powerful. Peace. Because when your mind isn't constantly overstimulated, it starts to breathe again. It becomes sharp, present, alive. You haven't lost your focus. You just buried it under noise, under habits that drain you. But it's still there, waiting for you to reclaim it. Turn things off. Let boredom train your mind again. Because boredom is not the enemy. It's the doorway to clarity. Remember this, the world wants your attention because attention is currency. Every second you spend scrolling, someone else gets richer while you get weaker. So guard your focus. Protect it like treasure, because it is treasure. And when you finally take it back, when you learn to sit quietly, to think deeply, to live fully, you'll realize focus was never about doing more. It was always about being here. Focus is your superpower. Don't wait for it to come back. Rebuild it, one quiet moment at a time. Because the monkey who learned to focus built his peace and his future.